As transportation costs rise, you need to use smaller vans or trucks, or make fewer trips back to the shop. Both can save you time and money. Yet you can't afford any sacrifices in performance, so you need the Dri-Eaz Velo or the Velo Pro Airmover. Both Velo models surpass other Airmovers in performance, as these thermal images clearly show. The Velo dries a wider path and dries faster than other Airmovers. To maximize airflow, you can daisy chain 6 standard Velos on a 15 amp circuit, since they only draw 1.9 amps. That's twice what you can fit with traditional air movers. On the Pro model, you can even dial in the best airflow for each unit on the circuit, down to 1.2 amps, and fit a maximum of 10 units on a single circuit. Use the Velo's 5 positions to dry wherever it's needed. On the Pro unit, the kickstand provides even more options for stairway and wall drying. At only 21 pounds, the Velo is easy to move around. You can even haul 5 units on a hand truck and stack them securely in half the space of traditional carpet dryers. The Velo's built-in America quality ensures years of reliable service, and its performance, ease of use, and supremely efficient compact design will soon make it your favorite air mover for every drying project.